Bet you didn't know this about Python. So if I do true plus true, what am I going to get? Turns out true is actually just one. Why? Because one is true in computer science. So this is going to get two. Bet you didn't know that. Guess what? What's false? Turns out it's just zero. But it's also false. But let's just say we do false plus false. That's right. 0 plus 0 is still 0. Keep this in mind when you write code in Python. If you have the wrong statement or you forget to close an operation in parentheses, you could end up with an off by one error or some other weird thing happening. And it's critical that you understand what things relate to. Because let's face it, true may be true and false may be false, but true can also be 1 and false can also be 0.